Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. So guys, on the today's video, let's take a look at the gold market. Gold market right now stands in really dramatic situation. Those of you who have read our weekly research, you probably now better understand what's really going on around the big picture. I mean on the monthly chart, on the weekly chart, on the shorter term picture, because actually guys, the area around 1140, 1170 area is really the edge for the gold market. So depending on what gold will show here, will answer on the question what will happen. So either gold market will turn to a reversal, bullish reversal pattern right now, or if it will not be able to hold here, we should be ready for dropping back to the 1000 even area, and gold there will get the second chance. This probably could form in the monthly chart the double bottom. So, but this is mostly subject for long-term analysis. Here we're watching for a daily perspective on what we could get today until the end of the week. If you remember, in the short-term situation, our major concern was around this retracement. So the major question was whether gold market will turn down right now. So just to remind you that we expect deep retracement after this rally will be completed, mostly due to the existence of this strong bearish momentum. So whatever action will happen here, maybe gold will climb even higher, but after that, I'd suggest that really significant retracement should be at least the 618 retracement. I mean to the 618 support of this rally, or even back to the bottom. This also could happen. And the major concern was whether the market will turn down right from the monthly period resistance from the 1190 area, or it will try to climb slightly higher and touch yearly pivot point. So 1196 is a new pivot point for the 2017, and usually price every time gravitates to this level, especially when it stands very close to it. So you can see the market right now stands just $10 lower. This overall area stands its very strong resistance, and we think that it should be enough to hold market from the further acceleration and probably to become the bearer of the reason why market will turn down. Maybe not on the current week, but within the couple of weeks, in current week and next week, probably this downward retracement should start. As you can see, this is confidence resistance. Also, this is daily overbought area and yearly pivot point. Taking into consideration the shape of this action, it's not really very thrusting. We do not have anything of that action here. It's rather gradual, so this is definitely a retracement. Also, guys, another moment that it's not really very supportive to this rally is the lack of the real purchases. So we'll take a look at the statistics of this PDR fund. If you take a look at the Communal Traders report, you will see that no real long opens have happened here. No real purchases of this action has no support from the real money flows in the gold market. That's why this really very fragile action, even we think that it's not really reliable. And taking long position here is really risky. So still, if we'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, we see that we have this in progress, this A, B, C bottom pattern. I intentionally keep untouched all expansions that you'll see how market reacts on them. So first reaction was on minor 618 target has been hit, minor bounce. Next one was the 100% stronger bounce. Actually, guys, here you can see market keeps very good harmonic retracements. So they are almost equal. It's 3-8 retracement here. So next destination point will be 1618. And it stands in agreement with the 1204 area. So you can see the 1204 is the major 3-8 resistance of the whole downward action. Also, guys, on the way up, market probably should touch the 1196 yearly pivot point. So for that purpose, market needs to pass through the monthly pivot resistance one. So that's the area where we think that market should start. and maybe reestablish downward action if nothing really curious will happen on the fundamental global events, something of that sort. Also, guys, in the nearest time on Wednesday, tomorrow, we will get the Mr. Trump press conference. The market's really very expect this because that could shed some light on the policy and the fiscal sphere of the Donald Trump administration before its inauguration in the 12th of the January, so 20th of the January. So that's why tomorrow be careful and be aware of the possible volatility in the market if Trump will start to speak on the financial sphere or something that certainly will open some curtain above its possible steps in the financial sphere. So that could bring some volatility in the financial markets because markets really very strongly expect and wait for this press conference. So that being said, on the gold market, we're continuing to watch for this retracement, taking an consideration the reaction that we see right now. This market was able to hold on the minimal retracement. Just the freight retracement has been completed at 1170 and started to move up. It's probably increased chance that market will still fluctuate inside this wide range of the resistance that we have on the daily chart, and really increased chance that market probably will show another leg up, complete 1618 target, and on the way up it also should touch the early pivot point. That's what we'll be watching for in the nearest trading sessions. But also, guys, since market already stands inside this resistance, inside this area on the daily chart, also we need to watch for possible bearish reversal patterns that could be formed here. This market will form something that will be the signal that probably the market is ready for a downward retracement. As you can see, this retracement will be in an area around 1150, probably at least 1150. It also could be even lower. So let's see what we'll get in the gold market.